Nou kyk, ek is te bang om hier rond te loop by Wonky Wear vandag, want hier is die mees asemrowendste, fynste kunswerke wat hulle hier verkoop, want elke stuk letterlik is uniek. En jy's te bang jy stamp of breek iets hierso. Maar Althea het met daai gesels oor waar Wonky Wear begin het en wat hulle drome is wat volgende is. So voordat ek iets breek, kom ons gaan en ons luister wat het hy gesels. Break it down.
Dis weer tyd vir in en om tuinroete. Nou daar is 'n gesegde in Engels, the proverbial bull in a china shop. Wel, ek is vandag saam met daai in die Wonky Wear shop. En ons is verskriklik bevoorreg om die geleentheid te hê om met jou te gesels en jy mag in Engels antwoord.
Dankie.
Baie welkom by ons op in en om.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for thinking about coming to interview me and the interest you've shown in Wonky Wear. Yeah.
Di, let's just start right from the beginning. The word Wonky Wear. The very first time I saw it, I thought, how did that happen? And I had to get a smile on my face.
Yeah.
Because I have a feeling there was some fun involved
Yeah.
to do Wonky Wear.
Yeah, you know, with everything in life, sometimes things just happen simply and they're the best ideas and you run with it. And we made these plates many years ago and we kind of looked at it and we said, wonky, they're so wonky. And we said, Wonky Wear. And it was as simple as that. And simplicity now it's a catchy name, it's world known, and because of its name. So it was the simplicity and just, we didn't have a think tank, two people sitting chatting.
And that's how the best things
I'm
start.
telling
So
you,
I'm
yeah.
really so thrilled for you. I'm also seeing though, there's lots of wonky, but I see you've gone into a bit of a change as well. There's a lot of flowers arriving. You're keeping your shapes, but there's change. How have you evolved over the years? It's been 25 years, am I
Something
correct?
like that, 27.
And how have you evolved from those first little plates to where you're sitting today in your international business? Give us a brief overview of that.
It is, you know, if you're in the art industry or any industry and you work for 25 years at it, you will get better than the first day. And our staff have been with us for 25 years as well. And we've all grown as artists, as families, whatever. So we kind of get not bored because every time we open the kiln, there's a little gem there that has been, we've seen it for 25 years. And our laces and our patterns pressed into clay, it's an age-old tradition, but we've taken it to a modern level. And it's been our mainstay, our bread and butter for all these years. But we also find we like to play around. And these, they're only in the shop in George. If we get a special request, which we often do, we design for many companies around the world, and they take our designs and reuse it on other items. But we just want to give our local, because we've got such a huge following in George. And we want to, everybody comes here on holiday and we don't want to disappoint them. So we always putting something together that will be quite interesting, even though everybody goes home with the laces.
There we go. That is the Wonky Wear original.
So it's a process. We're doing lots of designs, but it doesn't reach our shores here. But we want to keep South Africans entertained.
Wat is jou agtergrond in klei? Hoe het jy in klei opgeland, as ek dit so kan vra?
Yeah, it was a hobby. And we moved to George. My ex-husband's family were old George people. And we decided to come here and we lived on a farm and that didn't work out. And then we found ourselves in George. And that's what I did. My children were at Outeniqua. Their grandfather was at Outeniqua. So we kind of kept the tradition. And I had to take them from the farm to George every day. And then we found this little space. And I was already dabbling. And I thought, what do we do? And we started painting like my son does now. And it just took off immediately. And it was a tiny little shop. And then I got Atwell, a young Xhosa guy. And that's another whole long story. But anyway, he came in strong. I said, roll the clay out. I threw a shape on the wheel, and it worked out. And then we went to a fabric shop across the road, and we got some beautiful patterns, and it was instant. It was instant.
In a day, your business started.
Yeah, and there was one miracle after the other. And that's why I say when things are right, they're simple. You don't have to have hundreds of ideas and things like that. So you just got to be there.
Just be there, arrive for the moment.
Exactly.
You're not only dabbling in pottery anymore. Jy het nou oor begin klim. Jy het eiendom gekoop en ons gaan binnekort 'n galery sien. Dit maak my hart baie bly.
Ja.
Waar het dit begin en wat het jou besluit om nou bietjie oor te beweeg na die galery?
Yeah, you know, being an artist, you'll probably, if you look at all artists around the world that have worked hard at their craft, they can do many things, from sculpture to painting to everything, writing books, you know, whatever.
Easy learners.
So you become a creative person.
Yes.
And we used to have Stradoms, which was a fantastic gallery.
I remember.
And there was beautiful art in there from all the artists in South Africa. And it was such a good standard.
We desperately need another one.
George hasn't got a gallery.
Not anymore.
So I had this opportunity to buy this property that was already a school with classrooms and toilets and things like that. And so I scraped everything together and we bought it. But it's because we're so busy in this factory, we haven't got there. And this is my next project, to have a great gallery for it's so important. You know?
Absolutely, to keep all this creativity alive in a human being and to hand it over.
It's everything.
Dis so belangrik.
Wonky Wear has already done that. When we first started, everybody was, oh, what's this? And, you know, but now they've become stronger in their appreciation of art. Most people, most South Africans, it's on everyone's dinner table. So everybody's level of creativity and awareness of art is improving. So it's like a drug. They want to, you know, so it's a great time for artists. And South Africa has got brilliant artists.
En hulle lê net en wag om te ontplof.
Ja.
Nou ja, al julle creative mense daar by die huis. Hier is 'n pragtige plek. Ons gaan vir julle nog baie goed wys van hierdie kant af. Maar kom kuier vir daai en kom kry julle 'n stukkie Wonky Wear. Dit is absoluut Suid-Afrikaans, internasionaal bekend.
Always.
Baie dankie en vir julle by die huis tot 'n volgende keer. Totsiens.